She got me feeling like the baddest motherfucker on the planet. Ooh yeah, strike a pose for the cameras. Cause we stadium status. Yeah, 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 yeah. And we the baddest team. Whoa, whoa, we the baddest team. Ah, yeah.
You know, Inkabi is 5,000 rand Bulala umuntu. Inkabi. It's even cheaper to get a girl to come and act and say you did something wrong. And your credibility, we've seen it with so many people, and we don't know if they're innocent or not. We don't know.
So AKA just passed away. This was some of his last moments. He died outside Wish on Florida Road.
Okay, a little bit of an edge up with the bruise, you know. Bride and groom, apparently that's where it's at. Fresh cut Fridays, what's Sasso saying? You know what the part the business there. You know what time it is, baby. We're back in the city. The boys are up.
Yo, this is sad, bro. This is sad, guys. Keenan Forbes, just like that, bro.